Hey, Wolver here. What if I told you that the secret to making real money in crypto isn't in chasing the next pump, but in building it? Today, I'm dropping the ultimate guide on how to create your own cryptocurrency token from scratch, right from your couch, with absolutely zero coding experience needed. We're talking about launching an asset that can generate $5,000, $10,000, or more in daily volume. If you're tired of being a passenger in this market, watching your portfolio swing on the whims of anonymous devs, this is your ticket to the driver's seat. You become the architect. Stick with me. Let's break the cycle. Right now, you're conditioned to be a consumer. You refresh charts. You ape into projects. Your emotional state is dictated by green and red candles. It's exhausting, and it's designed to keep you on the back foot. But the real power, the generational wealth, isn't in trading. It's in issuing. It's in owning the source code. Think about it. The people who built Ethereum, Solana, or even the latest meme coin craze, they aren't just holders. They are originators. They control the supply, the rules, the entire game. And for years, that club seemed locked behind a wall of complex code and Ivy League degrees. Not anymore. The tools are now public, and I'm your guide. Today, we stop spectating and start sovereign building. Your first move, open your browser. Navigate to remix.ethereum.org. This is your new home. This website, Remix IDE, is the same professional-grade tool that elite blockchain engineers use. To the untrained eye, it looks intimidating. A mess of files, icons, and terminals. Don't panic. See this not as chaos, but as a cockpit. And I'm about to give you the controls. On the far left, you'll see the File Explorer. Think of this as your high-security digital vault. This isn't a Google Doc. This is where financial instruments are born. Click the New File icon. A blank document will appear. Here, you will name your legacy. Type mytoken.sol and hit Enter. That .sol extension is critical. It stands for Solidity, the programming language of Ethereum. By creating this file, you've just signaled to the network that you are no longer a tourist. You are a builder. You have entered the forge. Now, we need to transform your idea into executable machine code. This is called compilation. Look for the Solidity Compiler tab on the left sidebar. It has a little S icon. Click it. Here's a crucial detail most tutorials skip. Your compiler version must match the version specified in your contract code. A mismatch here is the #1 reason beginners waste hundreds of dollars on failed transactions. It's like putting diesel in a gasoline engine. It just won't run. For now, just ensure the selected compiler version is something stable and recent, like 0.8.20. We'll handle the code in a second. Now, click the big Compile mytoken.sol button. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a green checkmark appear. This moment is pure alchemy. Your abstract concept, your vision for a token, has just been translated into a blueprint the Ethereum virtual machine can understand. It's now in the staging area, armed and ready. All right, the moment of truth. Click over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. This is the bridge between your private development environment and the public, immutable blockchain. First, set your environment to Injected Provider. This tells Remix to connect to your crypto wallet, which should be MetaMask. A pop-up will appear. Connect your wallet. This is the sacred handshake. You are now directly linked to the network. Now, before you hit that deploy button, we need to embed the soul of your token. This happens in the code, but don't worry, I'll simplify it. You need to define the 4 core pillars, the DNA of your asset. These are non-negotiable for any serious project. The name. This isn't just a label. It's your empire's name. It's the first thing your community will chant. Make it powerful. Make it stick. Is it Phoenix Rise? Apex DAO? Choose something that commands authority. The ticker. Symbol. This is your battle flag on the charts. Like WOLV. In a world of 3-second attention spans, this needs to be short, catchy, and aggressive. It should look good on a price ticker and be easy to remember. The total supply. This is your primary lever of economic control. This number defines scarcity and potential value. Are you creating 1 million tokens for a tight-knit, exclusive club? Or 1 billion for a mass adoption play? This decision is the heartbeat of your project's microeconomy. The decimals. For compatibility with every major wallet and decentralized exchange, lock this to 18. This isn't a suggestion, it's the gold standard. It makes your token as divisible and tradable as Ethereum or Bitcoin itself. Here's the critical part. The blockchain is a one-shot environment. There is no undo. A single misplaced character, a logical flaw in your contract, can be instantly exploited, draining all the liquidity you add. It can cost you everything: your funds, your project, your reputation. This is where most solo builders fail. If the idea of writing this code yourself is daunting, you don't have to risk it. I provide pre-audited, bulletproof contract templates that are secure against common exploits and front-run bots. Don't gamble your foundation. If you want that security and a direct shortcut, message me on Telegram right now. Let's get you a rock-solid contract. Once your contract code is perfect, whether you wrote it or used a secure template, you'll see it listed under the Deploy section. Take a deep breath. Double-check your wallet has a small amount of ETH, BNB, or Matic for gas fees. This is the fuel for the transaction. This is the point of no return. Click Deploy. Your MetaMask will pop up. Review the gas fee and confirm. This is the spark. For a few seconds, the network processes your request. Then, success. Your token now exists. It is permanent, public, and live on the blockchain. You have just created wealth from nothing but logic and will. You are no longer a speculator. You are an issuer. To see your creation, go back to Remix. Under the Deployed Contracts section, you'll find a long string of letters and numbers. This is your contract address. This is your token's unique, immutable fingerprint. Copy it. Open MetaMask, click Import Tokens, paste that address. The name and symbol should autofill. Click Add. Boom. Watch as your token balance appears in your wallet. You are now holding an asset you created. But hear this clearly. A token without a community is just dormant code. It's a powerful engine with no fuel. This is where 95% of projects die. Launching the token is phase 1. Phase 2 is building a tribe, creating liquidity, and executing a marketing strategy that cuts through the noise. This is where you turn that digital balance into tangible, life-changing revenue. You have officially ascended. You've moved from the sidelines to the source code. If you're ready to go beyond this tutorial, if you want a custom, high-security contract, a professional launch strategy with liquidity planning, and the insider knowledge on how to actually build momentum and volume, then it's time to level up. The link to my Telegram is in the description. Let's build your project the right way. If you enjoyed this power shift, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, what's the name of the project you're going to build? I read every comment, and I'm actively looking for the next powerhouse project to mentor to the top. Will it be yours? The tools are in your hands. Let's build.